Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pauline Newman. I would like to share with you a few unboxings. This is a QVC haul, if you didn't figure that out before. So we're going to start, some of them I've already opened, just to make it easier on a shorter video. And did I introduce myself properly? I'm Pauline Newman, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So let's get into these unboxing. So I already did this one because I couldn't wait because I knew what it was. And this is the Canon PowerShot G7X Mark II. So excited for this. I just can't wait to use this, especially at our meetup in Chicago. So there it is, the Canon G7X. And then we have the name says it all, doesn't it? So let me go ahead and this was the TSV. I picked up two, one for my sissy and one for my mom. There you go. And this one, let's see if we can open it. Why not? Mom won't mind. That's the one. Isn't it gorgeous? This is with the logo, Lori Goldstein design. And you get 4 of the brush heads, which is a 1-year supply. So excited. She's gonna love it. So yes, that's the Mia 2. This was their TSV a couple weeks ago, and this was 99 bucks. So I got the pink, and for my sister, I picked up the I think it was the aqua. So that's that Clarisonic Mia 2. And then I picked up once again for my parents this is the call blocker, the V5000. And I picked this up because every time that they get calls, they always call me because I am the family desk side support. Somebody call about IRS, I'm the one that does all their taxes, so somebody's calling about IRS things and they get all spooked. So I figured, I saw this on when it was a TSV, of course. And so I picked this up for them. So that's what it looks like. Really excited for them to have this. If it keeps them safe, then I'm okay, you know? I'm all right. I feel much better. And then this other box. And this is my favorite thing. And I told Dooney Addict. So let's get it. And that same night we both got it. And now it's sold out everywhere. And this is the Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer. And the packaging, again, is always gorgeous for Tatcha. Just like that. And I'm just opening it up like a savage. Oh, and that's a scraper to get the ingredients, the product out. Wow. Well wrapped, isn't it? Let's open it. And you know, I am not a primer person because I just don't see the need. But look at this gorgeousness here. Tell me that isn't stunning. Absolutely stunning. This is, oh, I'll do a review on this. And look at the inside. Oh, it smells lovely. Divine, divine, divine. And this is what scrapes it out. So I'll put it back in here and let's move on. So excited. This one is mine. And then again, do an addict deny. She told me about this because I told her that my water pick Sonic toothbrush, it just died on me after about 6 months. So she told me about this and I picked it up on QVC. It was their TSV. This is the Philips Sonicare kit. So it comes, that's the kit, and it comes with, I think, let's see, 4 heads. So that's what it looks like. So I'm super, super, super excited to use that. Next, we have, oh yes, again, Duniatic and I were texting about these. This is the Frizz and Bubble set of 5 flavored lip scrubs. And I'll just open one. Oh, wow. Okay, this is rainbow sorbet, or sherbet, I'm sorry. And there you go, Frizz and Bubble. And this one is pineapple coconut. This one is watermelon. Jeez, I have this right in front of me. All I had to do is do that. And this one is bubblegum. And lastly, this one is mint mojito. Ooh, one of my favorite drinks. So those are 5 lip scrubs from Fizz and Bubble. And then we have these beauties here. This one isn't actually from QVC. This is from HSN, but they're now QVC, so I wanted to put it in there. I have one for myself. So my parents needed one. They were asking to use mine, and I wanted them to have their own. And this is the Embassy 12 sheet micro shredder. I can't speak to this. So I was opening it from the wrong end. So let's open it properly. go. Embassy, your secret safe with us. That's the shredder. I won't be taking this out of the box. I got them the red one. I won't be taking this out of the box because it's just way too much and it's not mine. So it's just going to be too much headache to try and put it back together. So that's that. And then, I picked that up when it was a TS on HSN. And then, I'm sure you can see what this says. This was the TSV about maybe 6 weeks ago. And I have one. So I wanted my parents to have one because they have some jacked up NutriBullet. And again, this is a gift. So let me see if I can open this up. Great. All right, good. So I don't have to. It's just going to be too difficult to get everything out. So I got them the red. Here are the books, the tamper, the cover, the top, and that just kills me. This one was the oh, it's on the box. I'll tell you. This one was the 64 ounce. Okay, this was the Vitamix Creations 2 64 ounce 13-in-1 variable speed blender in red. And I'll just put this back. Okay. It's gonna get on my nerves. And then lastly, this box. My parents' 50th anniversary was 2 days ago. 50 years. So some of these are for my mom, and then I'm going to get something specifically for my dad. And this here is the Trolley Dolly, and this is for my parents to help them go up the steps. I don't know if you've ever seen the Trolley Dolly on the queue. Jeez. I am such a beast. This is annoying trying to get it out. Okay, here we go. Let's try this. That's not working. Voila! Here she is, the Trolley Dolly. So let me take that out. Isn't it gorgeous? So you have that set of wheels there. And it is huge. Huge, huge, huge. And that is it, everybody. I thank you all for watching me during this painful time of trying to unbox. But I'm sitting in my kitchen and I just wanted to get rid of all these boxes that I see here. So I thought, why not film this unboxing? Even though a few of them are not mine, but I got it from my mom for their 50th wedding anniversary gifts. So I just wanted to say thank you all for watching. I hope you all have a lovely day. God bless you all. Until next time, please be kind to yourself, be kind to others, pay it forward, and do not forget to click that subscribe button so you will not miss any of my videos, and also that notification bell so you will know when I do post videos. God bless you all. Bye-bye.